In this video, we will learn in Python to get the working directory, change the current working directory, listing files and directories. To get the name of our current working directory, we will use os modules get cwd function that stands for get current working directory. First, we need to import os module. And then we are going to use os. We are going to print and os dot get current working directory. Now we can save it and print it out and run this program. I will name it files.py. Now we can do Python files.py. Now it's showing our current working directory is root. Now we are going to change the directory. We can use the os module's chdir function, change directory function. We need to give the path of the directory we want to change to. So we're gonna do here. Oh, I will list my directories in root. I'll move to desktop. So give its complete path. Now we can do os.chdir and give the path. We're gonna do root and desktop. And then we going to print our current working directory, so we know that the path is changed. Os dot get cwd. Now we can save it and run it again. Python files.py. Now it's showing our root desktop folder. Now we are going to list files and directory in our current working directory. We will use os modules function list dir for listing directory, which will return the names of files and directories. We will print before we change the directory so we can have more files in our root directory. So it's easy to print more lists. I'm not sure there are any files in our desktop, so I'm gonna use os dot list dir and then give the path. I will do current directory and save it in a variable dir list. Then I'm going to loop for file in dir list. It will goes into the directory listing and print the names of each file and directory. And then print the file. You can save it and run. It printed all the files and directory under a root directory. For more videos, you can subscribe to our channel. Thank you.